Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. This is my new car. Oh goddamn, just stop, I can't. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is gonna be my first video. This is my new car. It's a 2000 Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's my little sexy boy. Look at those curves.
Yes.
We already put a new exhaust on here. This little fart cannon right there. Don't mind the dirty ass car. We've been driving around, and as you can tell, it's Wisconsin in wintertime, which is totally fun, and I love the winter. Totally fun, and I love the winter. Today we ordered a cold air intake off of Amazon, and I'm cheap, so I bought it for 50 bucks, but it still looks kind of nice. This is going to replace the stock air box here. Hopefully get a little bit more horsepower and make it sound, the new exhaust sound a little bit less ricey. So we'll do it, and then maybe we'll drive around later today and see how it affects it. This is what it sounds like before.
This is a quiet muffler out.
Yeah, well, I guess we'll get started. Look at my amazing job, guys.
Meat's so horny.
Meat's so horny. God damn it.
There's really a walnut in here.
Nowhere.
Wait, what?
What the fuck? What the hell? No! Why is there a goddamn walnut in here? Don't mind the rust. We're gonna get that fixed.
Are you?
No. Maybe. We'll probably take a wire wheel to it sometime. Get all that stuff out. Hey guys, Pocket Pussy here. Pocket Pussy 1000
Hey,
here.
if you want to get demonetized, that's what you can do.
No, you don't do. Benny, I'm gonna try to keep the parts mint. You go like, just in case I have to put it back on. Fuck the police going straight from the underground.
Whip out the 10 mil.
Here, Benny, you do something for once.
I don't. Right here?
Yes.
No.
There you go.
There you go. You're a little boy. Hey,
Mechanic.
it's a mechanic, little boy. Hey, this man right here can fix your dirt bike. It may be janked up as fuck, but he can fix it. He just ejaculates into the tailpipe, and it works somehow. I don't know why. All right, Benny, don't pull. All right, pull that hose off first.
This?
Nope, not there. Over
This.
there. That hose, yeah. Oh yeah, we get to see the rust in all of its glory. And there's a hole.
Oh, yikes.
Ooh, that's a really nice one, actually.
All right, that's solid.
That's solid. You literally
Yikes.
poked through a hole, dude.
What is that?
I don't know.
What is-
They always have stuff like this in some of these stock intakes. I never understood it myself.
Yay!
Well, I thought you actually did throw it. I was trying to look for it. I was like, what the hell?
That's pretty tight. I don't want to over-tighten it.
Okay. We'll have to figure. Yeah, I don't think it goes like because of this hose. I really don't think it's supposed to go like
I
that.
don't think it's supposed to go the other way.
Yeah.
All right,
We'll
Benny, take it
figure
out.
What? I'm confused.
We're gonna just take it out and figure it out.
He just tightened it. Now we're telling him to undo his work.
Yeah, this is what you have to do when you're my son. After some struggling, we got the cold air intake on, so we're gonna start it up and see if it works. All right. Yeah, don't mind the bell. It does that when it's cold. There you go. Turn off. That's louder, isn't it? It doesn't sound that much different. Oh, it sounds a little different. So I can't really tell any horsepower difference. I mean, it does sound slightly different. It does seem like it has a little bit of more of an immediate like push on the low end some more, but I'm not quite sure. Hey guys, Mickey Mouse here. Today we're working on a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Well, I think we're gonna send it off a cliff because it makes me want to kill myself.
Dude, this is the Mickey Mouse clown car here.
Hey guys, it's Kermit the Frog.
name this
It's Kermit the
Mickey
Frog. I'm gonna go Kermit suicide.
You said Kermit?
Kermit suicide. Kermit the Frog.
You said Kermit.
I got him in Kermit. Stop touching shit, Benny. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you, little bitch.